Alright guys, day 2 on TIG welding. Definitely it's going better. There's this weld. I mean, not too bad. Much better than day 1. Here's the other one. So lacking the consistency and you know, just getting it smooth. But yeah, got my 4-link bars welded, so much better, man. I went back. I was using a 12 cup, and I went back to a 7 cup, and I ordered some screens to what do you call it? Gas screens for my cups to distribute the gas a little smoother, so it's not so violent coming out of there. Turned my gas pressure down a little bit and seemed to go a lot better. I also found that I was getting porosity from holding my, I was too far away from the weld, so got in tighter, and yeah, it turned out good, man. So, you know, hey, a little bit of practice, should have these things looking a lot better. But yeah, I'm happy with it, getting good penetration, and just got to get more consistent. And I think with all the welding I'm going to do on this roll cage back here, shouldn't have any problem getting better. That's for sure. I've got plenty of practice to go. So anyway, hope you like it. Thanks.